Number 10, the candidates have always been as one on this issue. They have never been embroiled in blank. So our trigger here is the semicolon. We know we have two short sentences that are related. And the first portion is telling us that they have always been as one. They have never been embroiled in blank. So even if you have no idea what embroiled means, you know that they have never been apart because they've always been as one. So they're always agreeing, never disagreeing. So this is going to be something like disagreement or apart. So looking at the answer choices, partisanship. You may have heard this word, but you might not be sure what it exactly means. So you could leave it in as a mystery. Accord. Definitely a great word to know in life, but you might not know it, so we'll put it in as a mystery. Denigration. Here it is again in its noun form. In its last form, we had denigrate, which was a verb. So clearly this keeps repeating, and we know it's negative, so maybe. Then assignation. Maybe we're not sure of that. And assurance. So if we're looking for disagree, then assurance is exactly the opposite of what we want. So now this is the first question we've come to, where if you didn't know all of those words, I would definitely recommend you to omit it. And I know that this is a really foreign concept for most of you because you always want to try to get the answer and you want to just guess and put something down. But seriously, omitting is going to be your best friend on the really hard sentence completion questions. Because if you put the wrong answer, which you're likely to do if you have no idea what any of those words mean, you're going to lose points. Whereas if you omit, you just don't gain any points, but you just have a 0 for that question. So if you're at this stage, this should be an omit. The actual answer to this question is partisanship. So we had said that we're looking for something that means disagree or apart. Partisan means that there's two parts. So that's exactly what we're looking at for this question. The other fantastic word you should know here is accord, which means agreement, which is exactly the opposite of disagree, which is what we need. So those are just kind of two words that you're going to see over and over and over again, so you should put them in your vocab journal.